Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing my unboxing of Love From Lizi's August 2021 card kit. The theme is bold and beautiful. If you are interested in the kit, I will have links provided in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you everything that's included. For this month's kit, there are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock, all in white. And this is alcohol marker friendly cardstock. Since the kit is so colorful, Lizi decided to just include the white cardstock. There are 2 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, but they've been cut down so they'll fit in the box. This first sheet has lots of fun 3 by 4 cut aparts. If you don't like those, you can always use the reverse side. It's a nice distressed looking grid design. For the second sheet, love this design. It's not my traditional style, but I think this will be really fun. So there's some tags, there's some borders. I love the little feathers. On the bottom portion, there's all of these strips you could cut apart and add to your card or scrapbook pages. And of course you can use the opposite side if you don't like those designs. And I think that opposite side is gorgeous. There's also a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So lots of great sentiments and icons. And it's hard to tell in the video, but some of them have a gold foil finish. So that's really pretty. Many of the sentiments would be perfect in a journal or scrapbook page. Up next is the 6 by 8 pattern paper, and these are all double-sided. So I'll flip through them quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. Lots of great designs. It's a very versatile kit. This would work perfectly for masculine or feminine cards. Some of the designs are fairly busy, but I like how on the opposite side it's a muted or tone-on-tone pattern. The daisies are definitely my favorite. And I love this yellow design on the back side. There's some pretty feathers. Really fun black and white design that's distressed on the edges. We have some roses. There's that same pattern that's on the back side of the 12 by 12 sheet. Some sweet little birds. Love this teal color paper. And then the last 2 sheets have more of the 3 by 4 cut aparts. But again, if you don't like those, you can always use the opposite side. One thing I love about the 6 by 8 size, you can easily create 2 backgrounds from 1 sheet of paper. There are also 3 sheets of printed card. So this is a very heavyweight cardstock, and look at that gorgeous pattern. It does have a slight glossy finish on it. This month we get a stencil. This is a really fun stencil, has a bunch of different circle patterns. So you could use just a couple of them or make a full background with all those patterns. Here's the stamp set that's included this month. Lots of great sentiments. There's some little sprigs and also some wreaths. So those will be fun to use. For the peel-offs this month, we have some mini stars in the black color. And I know I'm missing one. It must have fallen off in transit. I love all the mini shape peel-offs that Lizi has, so I know these will be fun to use. The dies included in the kit this month are nesting scallop circles. So this is really fun. There's 6 different sizes. The largest is a little bit bigger than an A2 size card, but you could use that for scrapbooks or journals. And the sentiment stamps this month fit nicely inside those scallop circles. The kit also includes ribbon. 5 different ribbons, 1 meter each. There's a navy, yellow, peach, red, and white. So really nice colors that coordinate with the paper collection. There's a sample size bag of sequins, super colorful. If you love using sequins, you can always purchase the full size bag as an add-on. There are a couple different types of gems included in the kit. There's a sheet of star gems, super sparkly, and there's also some tiny gold gems. I really like these. The size is perfect. There are 2 gold mirror frames, and these are always fun to make as a shaker, or you could put an image or a sentiment inside that opening. I think the gold mirror goes really nicely with the kit. So going along with that gold, there's also 6 photo corners. Not sure I remember the last time I used a photo corner, but this will add a lovely shine to your card or journal or project you're working on. There's also a sheet of foam circles, and these are fairly thin. I like having that thinner dimension. So you could pop up some of your images or sentiments using those. And the final item in the kit, we have 5 different wooden shapes. So let me get these out of the bag. So we have an arrow, there's a star and it has a little hole in it. There's the little smiley face, an airplane, and a hot air balloon. These are always fun to use. You can ink them up, add some color using stamps, markers, or you could also do heat embossing on them, which is my favorite way to use those. So that's everything that's included in the August 2021 Love From Lizi kit. And as always, I did receive a few add-ons. There are 2 different peel-off bundle packs that you can purchase. The one on the left is the pinstripe bundle. So we have blue mirror, ocean blue, black, and soft peach. The bundle on the right is the variety peel-off bundle. So there's several different styles. We have brown mirror in the straight. There's copper mirror in the straight as well. Rose gold in the pinstripe, and ruby red mirror in the pinstripe. So these are always a really good deal buying them as a bundle. Up next, there's a 2-pack of stencils. So these are really fun. I love that design on the left. It's a bunch of scribbly looking circles. I think it'll create a really interesting background for a card. With the kit only including white cardstock this month, Lizi does have a cardstock bundle as an add-on. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock, and they're really bright colors. So these will be fun to include with the pattern paper. And there's also the pearlescent bundle. There are 6 sheets, has a beautiful pearlescent finish on one side. The back side is white. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. I love adding that little bit of shimmer to my cards. Now here's another look at the Love From Lizi August 2021 card kit. The theme is bold and beautiful. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit or subscribing. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.